Good morning, everyone. It is July 14th. I knew the day, cause y'all know I never know it. But we're getting ready to get on the road to go to, drum roll please, Atlanta.
Where's your mama?
Y'all, so I am still halfway not dressed. All I got on is a shirt. I said I put my pants on and my shoes. Y'all know we're going out in orange and gray and Versace. Only expensive thing on me today, besides my AirPods, is Versace and my phone. So I will see y'all either in Atlanta. I might show y'all some driving there. I don't know if I'm sure y'all driving there. But alright, see y'all. Hey y'all. Here with the fit. Y'all see the Versace? If you can't wear Versace, don't talk to me. It's like I'm just like, but you know, buy what you like, buy what you can afford. You can't afford it, work hard so that you can afford it. Achieve what you think that you can achieve. I believe in you. What's up, vlog? We just made it to the ATL. We checked in. I'm in my hotel room. I mean, maybe I should give y'all a room tour. What y'all think? I think we are, just because I'm bored and I need content. So let's do it. We're gonna start with the bathroom because it's right by the door. Yeah, okay, this is nice. It don't smell like roaches. Okay, what's up, y'all? Y'all see me? Y'all like the mirrors? You probably in here with a boo. Got a nice little king size room. Fit check, fit check. See the Versace. See the Versace shoes. Y'all can tell I lost a lot of weight. But fit check. Yeah, I want the green ones, but they sold out of them. Okay, nice little TV. You know, little whatever. Y'all, tell me why motherfucking closet door off the hinges. Like, this the closet is off the hinges. Y'all, I don't iron, so no matter. In the view of the pool. What a view of the pool. Yes, sir. Y'all already know what's about to go on. But alright, we're in the ATL and I need to go get my luggage from my folks so that I can change. But other than that, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Cause I'm gonna go to the pool, so I might vlog a little of that. We about to get y'all some content. I'll be in Atlanta for these next 3 days. Yeah, 4 days. I'm getting content for you guys. So make sure you guys are liking, subscribing, and commenting. You already know the vibe.
They're too big for him.
What do you mean? Say hello.
Yeah, towel.
The door don't open. Come on, Tuki.
I got it.
Tuki, you can't get in the pool with your phone. Benjamin, you ready to go swim? Yeah. I got a view of the pool from my room. Y'all, why the pool dirty?
You ready? I got a little deep.
You went to the smallest part. Cookie! Cookie about to get in? I don't think she wants to get in. It's chilly. Bubba wants to swim, y'all. I'm just sitting on the side.
Look at that stuff at that pool.
You drowning?
Yeah. Go put that pool skimmer back where it goes.
Benjamin!
Hey, don't over there on that gate.
Now this pool is kind of dirty. Tuki, they said we look like twins.
I'm twins.
You my twin?
Yeah. Oh,
Are you gonna show them you going underwater?
no, it's like this.
Well, Eric, move. You messing him up. Go ahead, Tuki. Yeah, you did.
Everybody move. I'm about to take my head. You ain't gonna give me your camera? You blocking me from the camera? Like, you just...
Oh, you did.
It's out of school. I gotta go back August 2nd and then start.
I don't go back to August the 10th. Y'all, why Benjamin over there?
He's trying to put the pool skimmer down.
He messing it up. Who's this? As soon as I edit this vlog. What you gotta say to the people?
Hey, people. Hey, people.
Tuki, what you wanna say to them?
Hey, Judge. Hey, don't my comment. Don't my video.
Hi, YouTube fam. So tomorrow I plan on doing a Q&A. Is it tomorrow or Saturday?
Saturday.
Saturday. You think I should do my Q&A Saturday? Okay, so I'm planning on doing a Q&A. Well, an updated Q&A because the last one I did was like months ago. Yes, boo. Keep hanging your mouth. You don't drop the camera. So I'm gonna do an updated Q&A either Saturday or tomorrow. But I'm gonna ask my questions on my Advice from Devan Instagram to get a response, and we're gonna go from there. So ask me whatever questions you guys want to know. If you want to be in my business, ask it. But by the time y'all see this, I'm probably already gonna be done and did the Q&A. But I'm answering questions to be in my business. Advice. This is not your room, but okay. We're doing a question on advice. We're doing questions on love life. We're gonna do questions on everything because y'all like to be nosy.
Y'all wanna know if I'm single, I'm dating.
In between. Where is my phone?
I don't know.
It's your daddy's phone? Go get my other phone, I'll give you your phone. You just took it. Hi, I don't know if y'all remember me, but it's Editor Me in Current Real Time Moment. And I just want to say, Benjamin, I owe you an apology because, I accused you of having my phone and it was in my other bag. So, yeah, sorry. You forgave me. I gave you some Pringles. Peace. Okay, so yeah. So I'm going to ask questions so y'all can get in my business. Tuki got my phone. You better get it from Tuki.
I have it.
So yeah, so I'm gonna ask questions so y'all can be in my business. And let's just talk about it. Let's get into it. Let's enjoy our time with each other and let's vibe out. We in Atlanta with it. We're gonna wake up in here. We're about to brush my teeth. And we're gonna get ready for the day because I actually need to lotion my legs, put on my outfit. So I might do like a time lapse, whatever the fuck it's called. And we're about to get my morning started. Oh, I had breakfast, by the way. Just so y'all know. Okay, y'all, here with our outfit for today. Paired with the white voices, y'all already know. We look good. We're getting ready to go to the aquarium. And let's get into the glasses. Let's take a minute to get into the glasses. You know, the clear frames. But yeah, outfit for the aquarium. We're going to the aquarium and the museum. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can for y'all. Y'all can see through my glasses. It's cool. We had a minor misconvenience this morning. But it's okay. We're gonna get it together and we're gonna ride out and rock out. I didn't do it together. That's what real people do. You get it together. All right, but I'll see y'all.
What about me?
You got a trophy here.
Kill the arrow.
What do you want in our vehicle?
Get out of here.
I can't be here.
No. Till you touch with his poopy hand. You touch Ariana too.
What?
I was about to say, if you think you was coming here and turn our hair off. Chooky poopy.
Damn, y'all got a plug in here too?
Get out of here.
Okay.
Get out of my video. I don't want
Put
to
me in the video, man.
Yeah. Chooky,
Where
where
the
my
rhythm
money?
part at?
Ariana, shut your goddamn mouth. All she got was 30.
It's all right. Mama get it later.
You did. Know what I was talking about? See that?
How we get in?
Yeah.
You guys, come on through, come on down, everybody, come on down. Welcome. Welcome, everybody, come on down, guys, come on down.
I'm not gonna be out and responsible by this chilling.
When it was sitting
Nah, man, that's what we want to make
Yes, that's what you ugly. Yeah, I gotta keep the Coca. What's the secret?
I'm 6 foot. You say 6 foot? I'm 6 foot.
No secret.
I'm 5'11".
I'll buy something.
What you gotta say?
Let's exit.
This ain't on.
It ain't.
There's no.
Those are the
Benjamin, look. You snuck in, didn't you? You snuck in two bubbles, huh?
Who? Snuck in what?
In that gate.
No, I didn't.
Ow!
I thought it was a little animation at first. I thought it was animation. I thought it was inside.
Lyra, if you hit from behind again, you're gonna be paying me a fee.
I don't know what we're supposed to do.
Lyra.
You're supposed to be watching.
Headphones on.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It's a headphone. It's a headphone. Boys feel like they got the attitude. Broke people should never have an attitude.
Shut up.
Of course.
I do not have no storage.
I got storage.
Storage running too low.
My storage ain't. Penguin's the penguin. You see it? You see him? The penguin. You gonna correct me about penguin.
A dodo bird? A dodo bird.
Suki, how you enjoying it? Fine.
What they go swim?
The fact that they playing the SpongeBob music.
They go swim.
Suki, look at. Dang, dear, it's gonna push me. Right, that is an otter, ain't it? No, otters can move.
I asked my daddy, can you wear an otter? You know what he told me?
I don't think you can have those as pets in Georgia. Not one of otters. She better care of the damn dog she had. Tuki, what you want to say?
None.
Why not? Why don't want to say nothing? Look at Derek so big at himself. What? We talking about you. Tuki, it's the penguins. You ready? Benjamin! Benjamin! Ben! Tell Benjamin to look.
Benjamin don't want to look your way.
I almost lost Tuki. Tuki thought you was gonna run away from us?
One boot, so I didn't want to be there.
Oh.
No, like, you really wrong. Who called?
I'm not gonna do it.
Scares you.
Those regular American alligators, but
They're coming up to
a sight to see. We also do have right through those couple doors the Discovery Zone. Discovery Zone is going to have a lot of amphibians, reptiles, and my personal favorite, glow-in-the-dark flashlight fish and bioluminescent coral. They're right through those double doors right here, and they do loop back around to this area. So if you want to
y'all, I just got out the shower and I thought I should just tell y'all good night. We had a long day at the Coca-Cola factory and the aquarium. I posted a few things on my Instagram. I'm probably gonna insert them like right here. Y'all, then we came back and we went to the pool and I wouldn't even lie to y'all and say a couple drinks. I've had a few drinks and a few shots. So I'm kind of feeling good tonight. I'm gonna lay it on down. As y'all can see, my pool clothes are hanging up. And we're just gonna call it a night for the most part, because in the morning, I'm gonna knock out my last homework assignment for my Foundations of Business Analytics class while I eat breakfast, because you know the hotel gives us complimentary breakfast. And yeah, now I feel like I'm rambling, but yeah. Peace out. See y'all. Good night. Morning, folks. It is Saturday. I'm trying to put on for the brush my teeth. But it's Saturday. It is the 16th, I assume. I hope I'm right. If not, so what? We're getting ready to get our day started. We're going to Six Flags today, so I'm gonna vlog a little of that. So, good morning. Why the hell this man just told us I gotta go put on shoes just to get out the water park, and everybody else gotta go put on clothes? Like, who the fuck does that? I've never seen a park do that, and it's baffling, y'all. It's baffling to me. Hey.
Hey, Shay, you said it's not me. Oh, Lord. Hey, I take that back. I'm sorry, Shay.
Oh, I got him.
Oh! Oh, he just hit that one. Yeah, right? Yeah, she thought about it was me.
Go, Shayla. That shit's cool. Look how fast it's going. Look, right skate. Look at that. Go somewhere, Ryan. Look at him.
All right, Atlanta, it's been fun. The hotel, it's been fun. I think we're doing one more thing before we leave, and that is the Touch Museum for the kids. So Benjamin and Tuki, the kids are getting ready to go to the Touch Pool. I'm gonna look it up a little bit there, but this is the last in this hotel. So I might as well, I guess, give y'all final goodbye. And, well, see you later because I'm getting ready to leave this hotel. Alright, if you made it to the end of this video before the touch pool, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Hit your post notification bell so you're notified when a new video is uploaded. And, you know, it's been a journey. Make sure you guys are still supporting me. Talk to me on Instagram. You can even sign to my Twitter DM. I might respond. You know, I do respond to my Twitter DM. So respond to me, text me, let's communicate. Okay, see y'all. Is that a goat?
Yeah, my friend got a goat. Wilbur.
Charlotte.
That's Wilbur.
Charlotte.
Wilbur.
Oh yeah.
Charlotte was some spider.
Wilbur. See, I'm gonna get the pig and I'm gonna name it Wilbur.
I remember the teacher had kissed that pig at Haven and they bit her lip.
Look.
What I'm looking at.
That mouse hit the wall.
No, the one is you back there. That one that's right there that's eating, that's you. No, the one that's back there eating, that one. That's theirs right there. No big goat. Look, where you going?
I come right this way.
Y'all, Darius said does not look like you
Look
right
at your
there.
arm. Right here.
Oh, what is this? Yellow stuff. Y'all, it's clear to say I was here. Tuki, wait, I'm looking at the pig.
Man, you got a quarter?
It's that yellow stuff when you go there. Tuki, you don't like the pig? I'm about to feed the fish. You want to feed it, Tuki?
Put your finger
Drop it in me. Drop it. Tuki, just drop it.
I can't even do it.
Anyone need that? Yeah, they did have kids.
Not like the actual kid. That's what the name of the baby kangaroo is. A kid.
I thought it was a Joey.
I thought it was like the babies are kids, the older ones are Joeys, and the big ones are like kangaroos.
Hi, kangaroo.
Yeah, wallaby bears.
Fly.
More than that.
It ain't. Nervous. How do y'all feel? Slide to the left.
He was ready to do that.
I have a course for my lab.
Don't got the phone again.
Ah, look, Freddie. Oh, you are so adorable.
Yeah, they're impatient. I can feel it. Oh, I got the one I wanted in my hand.
Oh, y'all put me in mine and my dog.
I got the. Yeah.
Move, move, big head. Go, Benjamin. Whoa. I can't do nothing with Benjamin head anyway.
Lift it up over his head.
No, I'm good. I felt I pushed car and I said I was good.
Oh, you can do that tongue. You dropped them. Now you won't. But you keep dropping them.
Me? The other one?
That's a boa. Those are lizards.
Yeah, that's a python.
Look at Look at
Yeah, you are smart. What kind of python is that?